Hey there, travelers! Today, I'm diving into the top 5 packing tips that will turn you into a packing pro. Whether you're jetting off for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, these hacks will save you time, space, and stress. So let's jump right into it. Packing for a trip can feel like a Herculean task, but mastering the art of packing smartly and efficiently can transform your travel experience. Imagine fitting everything you need into a single suitcase. No more checking extra bags or losing luggage. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally possible. Most of us face the same packing struggles. Limited space, disorganization, overpacking, and the stress of fragile items. But don't worry, I've got you covered with these awesome hacks. Hack Hash 1, the rolling method. This is a game changer. By rolling your clothes instead of folding them, you can save a ton of space in your suitcase. It's like magic. Plus, your clothes are less likely to wrinkle. Trust me, try it once, and you'll never go back to folding. Hack Hash 2, packing cubes. These little lifesavers will keep your clothes organized and make it super easy to find what you need. I used to be a notorious overpacker, but packing cubes changed my life. Last year, I traveled to Europe and managed to fit all my clothes, toiletries, and electronics into one suitcase thanks to my trusty packing cubes. Hack Hash 3, multi-purpose items. Think outside the box. Items like a sarong or a scarf can be used in multiple ways, reducing the number of things you need to pack. A sarong can be a beach towel, a blanket, or even a makeshift bag. It's all about getting creative. Hack Hash 4, the packing list. Creating a packing list helps you avoid overpacking. Write down everything you need and stick to the list. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective. No more just-in-case items weighing you down. Hack Hash 5, wear your heaviest items. This one's a classic. Wear your bulkiest clothes like your coat and boots on the plane. This saves a ton of space in your luggage and keeps you cozy during the flight. Win-win! So there you have it. 5 essential packing hacks to make your travel experience a breeze. By using the rolling method, packing cubes, multi-purpose items, a packing list, and wearing your heaviest clothes on the plane, you'll save space, reduce stress, and enjoy your trip so much more. Got a travel tip? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more travel hacks and smart adventure tips, make sure to subscribe to Travel & See and hit that notification bell. Safe travels, everyone! Remember, packing smart is the first step to an amazing trip. So get rolling, cube it up, and travel like a pro. Catch you in the next video. Subscribe for more travel hacks and smart adventures.